Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy way to slick down a low ponytail on natural 4C hair using the attachment you already have at home.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
We'll be using our hair ties for it. This is Shine and Jam gel. This is hair brush, soft bristle, then my detangling brush and the white tooth comb. So we'll start off by detangling the hair. You must have to detangle your hair very well for you to comb out all the hairs down all the down part of your hair that are tangled. If not, the hair will not be able to slay. So I'll be adding a little gel. I'm not adding much gel because I don't want to add too much gel to my hair. I don't really like gel. I always say it in my video. I don't really like gel in my hair. So I'll add a little gel just to help with the holding of the hair. Then I'll use my hair tie to hold this first section, the first part that I sectioned out, and continue with the process. I will continue doing the same thing. I will be sectioning it small. I won't put gel on it at once. I'll be doing it section by section so that it can lay flat. If you put gel on it at once, you will not be able to lay flat. Remember, this is natural hair and it's kinky. It needs that gel to help to flatten it. So I'll be doing it section by section. I'll be applying gel little by little. Use my brush, my white tooth comb, and then my detangling brush to detangle, section it, detangle it after I apply the gel to make sure the hair absorbs the gel very, very well. So when I finish with that, I will tie it down as well, and I will continue with the process. Remember to moisturize your hair before you continue with this thing. My front, I'm moisturizing the front especially. I'm adding my shea butter. I've added leave-in conditioner and my DIY homemade hair growth shea butter that I also have on my channel. Maybe I'll leave the link on the screen, somewhere on the screen or in the description box. So after moisturizing, I will apply my gel. In the front part of it, I was sectioning the hair into a smaller section than the way I was doing at the back. But if your hair is short, you really want to take it small and be applying the gel to slick it down. If not, it will be difficult for it to lay down. But my hair is long, so it doesn't really need much sectioning like that. So I'm just applying it little by little and sectioning it little by little. So watch me as I do it. I just want to give it a little, I want to do a side pattern for the gel. I'm doing a side pattern for the gel. So I'm just using the Shine and Jam gel to slick it down to see how it goes down. Then I will continue by using my detangling brush and my soft hair brush to brush it down, and I will also tie it down so that it will be out of the way while I continue with the other section. As you're doing it, keep watching, and any part that is not slicking, in fact, the magic or the only solution to getting that sleek hair that you're looking for is these brushes. Once you detangle the hair first, which is the first step, second step, be sure to comb the hair very well after applying the gel to make sure the gel enters the roots of the hair very well, because if the root of the hair is not sleek, the up will not be sleek. You will find out that after putting the whole gel that the hair will still be looking somehow up after the whole thing. So you have to be patient with this thing. Do it gradually. Apply the gel where necessary to make sure you get that sleekiness that you are looking for. So we'll continue with that process and You can see the way I'm massaging the gel in, because you know the front hair is the part that people see more than the inside hair. So the hair front needs more gel. I am not being gentle with the gel amount of gel I'm applying at the front, because I really need the front to slick down, and it's the part that people will see. So it has to slick very well. You can see the way I'm separating it, patting it small by small, and applying gel in between it. Then after which I will use my detangling brush to detangle the hair, and also comb it backwards so that it will take the shape and get flat as I'm doing it. So watch me as I continue with the rest of the process. So this is the last session, and we'll be brushing everything back, after which you will lose the back and pack everything together. But what I usually do is the first layer, that's where the first banding that I did, of the first styling that I did, I don't usually lose it, because that will give me the position where I want the hair or the ponytail to be placed, if I want it to be very low or up. So if I lose it, I might not be able to get the position. So after now, I'll just be using my rat tail comb to brush through and part the hair, clean the pattern of the hair, so it will be looking clean. You can see the hair is looking whitish. Is because of the water that I applied to the hair to moisturize it. That's why the thing is looking whitish. But this whitish stuff fades out once the hair dries up. So this is what our hair is looking like now. We'll go ahead now and smoothen it out, and make sure everything is really flat. So I'm trying to see if I'll give myself side bears, or what's it called? I don't even know what it's called, but just to style the hair a little, something different, because I'm already used to normal all back ponytail, but I just wanted to try something new today. So this is what the hair looks like. Then I will tie it down with my hair scarf to make sure the hair lays down very well, and helps the gel to sink into the strands of the hair and hold it down. So you can use anything of your choice. You can use a satin scarf, you can use So this is after like 10 to 15 minutes, because I was really in a haste and I needed to finish this hair for my face to come out. After I tied the scarf, you can see the hair is laid. It is not completely dried. These children, they won't allow me to complete my video. It is not completely dry, but if you can wait longer, yours will be flatter than mine, and it will be slicker than mine, because in that way the gel will dry very well, and you won't be having any gel cast on your hair. So you can see the back of the hair, and this is the front of the hair. So I'll go ahead and wrap my natural hair into a smaller bun so that I will place my wig ponytail. So this is the ponytail, my DIY ponytail that I made sometime last year on my channel. I will also leave the link in the description box or somewhere up here. Then I just went ahead and combed the ponytail out, the kinky ponytail out a little bit, so it will be fuller, and I'm using it to pack the back of my hair so that it will give that hair that fuller effect and the salon effect. You know, salon, we just want our hair to look like it's made by a stylist, not just that we made it ourselves. So I'll just take part of the hair to just wrap around the ponytail to secure the ponytail from falling out of my hair when I go out or when something pulls on my hair. So my hair is not completely dry. I'm just trying to set it back again with some gel. But if you can wait longer, it will be dry and you won't have to go through this process. So I'll be applying argan oil to give it that shine, to give the hair a shine, so when you go out it will just be shining as the sun touches it. So guys, this is the hair after I finished doing the hair. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up so it reaches more people.